Xiaomi officially launched the 15T series globally on September 24, and it's include two models, the Xiaomi 15T and the more powerful 15T Pro. Let's start with the design. Both phones look sleek, minimal, and premium. The 15T comes with a plastic frame, while the 15T Pro step it up with a solid aluminum frame, and both are IP68 rated. Now the display, Xiaomi didn't compromise here. Both models feature a massive 6.83-inch AMOLED panel with a crisp 1.5K resolution and a built-in 3200 nits peak brightness. Performance-wise, Xiaomi did something interesting this year. Instead of Qualcomm, they went with MediaTek Dimensity processor, the 8400 Ultra in the 15T and the powerful 9400 Plus in the 15T Pro. Both are absolutely beast. It's come the multitasking, gaming, and daily uses. Plus, the phone comes with HyperOS 2 running on Android 15, making everything feel smooth and responsive. Battery life, both phones are powered by 5500 mAh battery, but when you need to charge, the 15T supports 67 watt fast charging and the Pro model takes and the 90 watt HyperCharge.